Hello again. So I wanted to share with you guys skincare and how important it is and my routine. So with no matter what makeup you're using, your skin plays a really big part. So you should be doing your best to take care of it. That means don't sleep in your makeup, make sure you're removing it. Even if you don't wear makeup, you should be washing your face every day, and you shouldn't be using something that you wash the rest of your body with, because the skin around the eyes and the skin on your face can be very temperamental and sensitive, and so you gotta take special care of it. Biggest key for sure is taking care of your skin, and we have two skincare systems. They're actually the same exact formulation, except the Tidal collection, which is a blue container, has a bergamot oil in it, and so it has a little stronger smell to it. But the rest of the ingredients are all the same, so it's really just up to you. The Tres Leches has more of a fresh scent to it, and so that's kind of the only difference between the two. They both come, if you buy them as a set, they both come with 3 of these microfiber cloths. So the Tres Leches will come with white ones, the Tidal collection will come with these gray ones. It's super soft, I really love them. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and show you kind of the things I do, and then I'll talk about the products a little bit as I use them. So I wanted to keep the smoky eye on because I wanted to show you that it can remove makeup. So I'm just taking some hot water and I'm loosening up my mascara. I've broken it up and I look a bit scary. Now I'm gonna go in with my cleanser. So I've got my cleanser here. Now the milk system has 16% skim milk in it. And what that is it's lactic acid. So I just spray it in my hand. I do like 3 squirts in my hand. It's really runny, pretty much like milk. It looks like skim milk. See how runny it is? And then I just kind of rub it in. As soon as it comes to contact with your skin and you start working around and it kind of turns into more like a creamy lotion feel, it will not suds up. I'm gently just rubbing that eye makeup. It will not suds up. It will not, like it's not gonna be really foamy. Foaming cleansers strip oils from your skin, like the chemicals inside to make it foamy are bad for you. So we don't want that. We want a gentle cleanser that will not mess the barrier of our skin. So we have our skin, and then there's this lipid barrier that's protecting the skin. And when you irritate it too much by abrasive things like really strong scrubs and things like that, it creates these micro tears in that barrier of skin. So then anything you're doing, you're just allowing that bacteria to get through that layer of skin, which causes breakouts and all that kind of stuff. So like so easy. And the microfiber cloth is really great for that. But the cleanser is really good at breaking it up and making it more gentle for you. All right, and then I cleanse again. So why am I cleansing twice? The first time I'm cleansing, I'm getting rid of my makeup. Now I'm cleansing my skin. And so now all that goodness, because there's really good products in the cleanser as well that are helping to like exfoliate and renew those skin cells and all that kind of stuff, all that goodness. And so I go in a second time to make. So exfoliating is huge. I am going to do a mask. So we have a milk mask. It's an enzyme mask. It's super, it comes in a pump like this. It is, it's a milk enzyme mask. So it's almost like it's almost like a, I'm really generous when I put it on. It's almost like you're getting a chemical peel, like that feeling of a chemical peel, but it's gentle because it's a milk and it's a natural enzyme and it's not a chemical. So it's not like really harsh and abrasive. And the great thing about this is it only takes 2 to 3 minutes and you are done. So I get really good layer all over my skin, and we're gonna exfoliate. You're gonna feel tingling, and that's normal, that's okay. It's normal to feel that tingling, and I'm just gonna let that sit. Okay, so now it's been a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna take my microfiber cloth again, and we're just gonna take it away. And you will notice redness. It will be a little bit red, and that's because it's just exfoliated that top layer of your skin, and so it's normal to have that redness. And this is also one of those things that you don't want to put on too long. I only put mine on for like 2 to 3 minutes max, so you can't really tell, but my skin in this view in my face is red, but it's like super tight feeling. Like I can feel like my face just went in it, and it's so good. All right, so now I'm going to shave my face. So this is do whatever you want with this. I just kind of mainly take it around this beard area when I do it. So that's basically gonna allow my makeup to sit really smoothly and look like super good. It's gonna allow any serums or moisturizers that I put on afterwards really soak in because it's not getting trapped in those hairs. So trust me, if you wanna look like you have that smooth, beautiful skin, you need to be shaving your faces. Next is toner. The toner is really great. It balances the skin. It's got witch hazel and aloe vera and really great calming agencies. It's perfect in the summer. If you get a sunburn, you spray with toner. It's like by the next morning, the sunburn is almost gone. Like it's so good at calming down the face. And then now is when you would put on any serums. So if you have night serums, vitamin C, retinol, like any kind of things that you like to put on, now would be the time. I have my own little concoction here. It's got jojoba oil, which is actually in our cream, and it's got frankincense and patchouli and some other things that I put inside it. Tea tree oil, and those things just kind of soak into my skin. And after I use that mask, it's like it just drinks up. My skin is able to just drink up anything that I put on it. So don't be alarmed that my face is so red. It's because I use that mask. It'll go away in like an hour or so. And now this is the cream of the crop. If you're gonna pick one item from the skincare system, this is it. If you have really dry skin, you need this. If you have really oily skin, you need this. If most of the time, if you have oily skin, it's because your skin is, it just pumps out like this. I take one pump, look how thick it is. Mostly it's because your skin is actually dry and you don't use moisturizer, and so your skin is overproducing oils. So if you use a really good moisturizer that takes care and hydrates your skin the way that it should, you are gonna find that you have less oils. So the makeup is really good at balancing skin because it's a cream, so it doesn't dry out your skin at all. But the skincare system, really hydrating with the milk, vitamin A and vitamin E. It's got honey and jojoba oil and just all this goodness in it that your skin just drinks it up. So at night when you're all done with this, your face should look really like moisturized. Like it should be dripping with like moisture. And you give it an hour or so, it soaks into the skin so beautifully. And by morning, you're still gonna feel moisturized. It's not gonna get greasy. It's gonna be still moisturized, which is amazing. And so then you just put sunscreen on for the next day and you're good. So that is my skincare regime. I hope that was helpful. This system has saved my skin so much. I used to go outside with no makeup and people would ask me, are you feeling okay? And I started to get really self-conscious, and that's when I found Maskcara Beauty and I started using it. I was a customer first and I fell in love with it because it allowed me to do my makeup really quick and feel like alive and normal again. And it wasn't until like a year after using it, almost like over a year of using it, I started using the skincare, and now it's like changed my skin. My skin is so much more life to it. My dark circles are not as bad. I don't have as much redness. Like, it's literally changed. I was getting adult acne, like pimples, constant breakouts on my cheeks and everything, and it saved it. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope